Okay, this is a review of the Citizen M Hotel in Copenhagen in Denmark. I am in room 537. Some hanging space. The sink is outside the bathroom. I'm guessing that's the bathroom. Yep. Oh. Okay. So, bathroom. Shower. Oh, toiletries. Proper toiletries. Good. Yeah, that's actually pretty much it. So you've got that outside. Shh, the hairdryer is hiding. Fridge, little fridge. Water is free. A light. Ah, there. Thank you. This is useful. Many hotels don't have that. This is pretty funky. I like it. So I've got a small desk. It's nice. A little book. Small pen. Steal this pen and write to a loved one back home. So you have an iPad to control the room. Okay, I'm not sure if it comes off. Okay, I'll figure that out. Run out of juice. Okay, I'm sure it'll charge. Light. Oh. Okay, that switches everything off. Curtains, more lights. A room guide. Let's have a look in a second. The bed's here, so I can't actually get to the window to show you. There's a screen. How to find love. Why you will marry the wrong person. Why we hate cheap things and unconfidence. Cool. I think that's it. And a safe under the bed. I have to say, the staff were really very lovely. So it's a cool check-in thing here. You go and you do it all yourself, and it's not difficult. There's a screen. You put your surname in. It talks you through it, asks you if you'd like breakfast. They were there on hand, but not annoying. You choose your own room card, and you get to keep this. There's a lovely area outside, so I like the humour here. It's just fun. Cool.